Hi everyone. Today we're going through how to navigate and use a real estate website from start to finish. Learning these features will help you find properties, manage your listings, and get the most out of the platform. I'll break this down into 4 easy steps to make it simple to follow. We'll start with initial website exploration and account access to get you set up and familiar with the basics. To explore language options, click on this language drop-down that currently shows English. Select Hindi from the drop-down menu to see how the website adapts to different languages. Let's switch back by clicking the language drop-down again and selecting English. The website has returned to English, showing you how easily you can switch between languages. You can now view the website in your preferred language. Let's go to next step, which is to navigate registration and signing in. To navigate registration and signing in, click the Create Account link here. The registration page loads where you can see different user types available. Click on the Owner tab to see the registration form for property owners. Click the Agent tab to view the agent registration options. Here you can see the required fields. Click through the full name, email address, and password fields to see how the form works. Complete the form by clicking the Retype Password field and then verify you're human with the I am not a robot checkbox. If you already have an account, scroll down and click the Sign In link instead. On the Sign In page, enter your existing email and password credentials in the respective fields. Click the Sign In button to access your account. The system processes your login and redirects you to the main home page where you can access all website features. Let's go to next step, which is to switch between user roles and explore the different profile types available on the platform. To switch between user roles, let's first explore the main navigation options. You can see the different sections like Home, Buy, Rent, Sell, and Find an Agent. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner to access role switching options. In the profile menu that appears, select the owner role to switch your account type. Confirm the role change by clicking Yes, Switch Role in the dialog box. You'll see a confirmation that your role has been successfully changed to owner. Let's try switching to another role. Click the profile icon once more. This time, select the agent role from the drop-down menu. Confirm this role change as well by clicking Yes, Switch Role. The system will display success notifications confirming your role changes, showing you can easily switch between different user types on the platform. You have successfully switched between user roles and understand how to toggle your account type. Let's go to next step, which is to explore your profile details and settings in depth. To explore profile details and settings, click the profile icon to open the menu. Let's check out your recent activity by clicking this tab. Click on Metrics to view your profile statistics. Switch to the Details tab to see your complete profile information. To modify your profile information, click this Edit button. The Edit Profile modal opens up with all your editable information. Scroll through the Personal Info section to review all available fields you can update. Click the Visibility tab to control who can see your profile information. Head over to the Access tab to manage your account permissions. You'll notice there's an option here to request additional permissions if needed. Use the back button to navigate between sections within the modal. Or click Next to move forward through the different settings pages. When you're done reviewing your profile settings, simply close the modal by clicking here. Next, let's go to step 3, which is to browse properties for sale. To browse properties for sale, hover over the Buy menu to see the available options. Click on All Homes to view all available properties. The page loads, showing all real estate listings available for purchase. Scroll down to browse the listings and click on any property that catches your interest. Detailed view opens with comprehensive property information that you can scroll through. If you want to share this property with someone, simply click the Share button here. When you're done viewing the details, click the X button to close the property view. We've finished browsing through the properties available for sale. Let's go to the next step, which is to search for rental properties. To search for rental properties, hover over the Rent menu to see your options. Click on Search All Rental to browse all available properties. The rental properties page loads, showing the current inventory. In this case, there are no available rentals at the moment. We've finished exploring the available rental properties on the platform. Let's go to the next step, which is to review the Sell Your Home section. To review the Sell Your Home section, hover over the Sell menu and click Explore Your Options. The page loads, showing comprehensive selling options and confidence-building features for homeowners. Let's scroll through the entire page to see all the selling services, tools, and support options available to home sellers. You've finished reviewing the Sell Your Home section and understand the listing process. Let's go to next step, which is to find agents and builders who can assist you. To find agents and builders, click on Real Estate Agents from this menu. The page loads showing you options to find the right agent for your needs. You can also explore property managers by clicking this tab. Or if you're looking for builders, simply click on the Builders tab here. Let's go to next step, which is to view your personal wishlist page. To view your wishlist, click the profile icon here. Select My Wishlist from the drop-down menu. Your wishlist page loads, showing all the properties you've saved. In this case, 2 properties are displayed. Let's take a closer look at one of these properties by clicking the View button. The property details should load here, though sometimes pages may need a moment to fully display. Let's head back to the profile menu. Let's see how wishlists differ between user roles. Switch from client to owner here. Confirm the role change by clicking Yes, Switch Role in this dialog. Access the profile menu again by clicking the profile icon. Click My Wish List once more to see how it appears in owner mode. Notice how the wishlist content changes based on your role, now showing different properties relevant to your owner account. You've finished reviewing all the properties saved in your wishlist. Let's go to next step, which is to review your property listings. To review your property listings, click on your profile icon. Select My Listings from the drop-down menu that appears. Your property listings page loads, showing all 14 properties you have listed on the platform. Scroll down to browse through your complete list of property listings. Continue scrolling to reach the bottom of the page and see all your listed properties. And that's it for your property listings page. You now know your way around this real estate platform. Good luck with your property search or sale.